A car's title is a legal document showing the person or entity who officially owns the vehicle. Most vehicles on the used market have a clean title, which means that they have never been declared a total loss by an insurance company. But you might also come across cars with rebuilt titles or salvage titles that have a lower price tag. But why do they? A salvage title is one where the vehicle has been in a major accident or damaged after a significant weather event. For example, tropical storms, hurricanes, and other deluges can bring heavy flooding that destroys vehicles. An insurance company may deem a flooded vehicle a total loss in the aftermath. However, a simple definition is not universal. States have different laws about what constitutes a salvage title. You can check your state's DMV website for specifics. Cars that previously had salvage titles receive rebuilt titles after they are repaired to roadworthy condition. Although the official title status is rebuilt, it does not necessarily mean that a mechanic rebuilt the car from the chassis up. For a vehicle to go from a salvage to a rebuild, it must be inspected by the state and deemed fully functional and safe to drive. After refurbishing and passing an inspection, a once salvaged car can receive a rebuilt title. So, salvage title versus rebuilt title. A car with a salvage title needs substantial work, while vehicles with rebuilt titles have completed considerable work. Now, should you buy a vehicle with either of these kinds of titles? The easy answer for salvage titles is no. Only if you are an experienced mechanic with all of the necessary tools to take on a used car with that kind of damage should you even consider it. Rebuilt titles, on the other hand, are more approachable but still carry a few caveats. Not all cars with rebuilt titles are created equal. If you're considering buying a car with a rebuilt title, obtain a vehicle history report like a Carfax and ask the seller plenty of questions about the car's past and the repair process. Also, make sure to look for a transparent seller. If the seller can answer your questions to the utmost satisfaction, and they have a good knowledge of the car's past, and can provide photos of the car after the accident and before the repairs, then it could be worth buying that car. If the seller is dodgy though, walk away. Know the risks involved. Even when a seller is open and honest, dealing with a rebuilt title can be risky. There could still be an underlying issue caused by the accident that went unnoticed. If you're willing to take that risk, paying more for a similar car with a clean title is definitely worth the extra money. Obtain a professional inspection. When considering a car with a rebuilt title, it always helps to be mechanically inclined so you know what to look for when checking it over in person. If you don't know much about cars, consider a pre-purchase inspection before agreeing to buy any automobile, especially one with a salvage or rebuilt title. It's up to you, the consumer, to do your homework and assess your personal time and experience constraints before purchasing any used car that doesn't come with a clean title. If you feel ready to pull the trigger, then you will likely reap the benefit of a lower purchase price up front. Bills that accumulate once the car is in your hands are on you, of course. Make sure to consult with your insurance company too, as some rebuilt titles may not be eligible for full coverage.